Void click.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your necky, wacky, till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my widow baby, tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch, you think you can help me? Only 7 inches long, ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please.
Would you repeat this level for $1 million? Oh,
Would you repeat this
I
level?
did it! I did it! I did it!
You beat Misfire?
I did it! I fucking did it! It's over! It's
There is
fucking
no
over.
way you just
I
beat
fucking did it!
Misfire. Let's go, GG. Let's go. Bro, I'm so happy for you. What the fuck?